Seattle. Bye, Seattle. We'll see you again in a couple months. We'll bring this other guy back.
I'm sick of
Where is he? We're gonna bring that guy. Morning here. It's not morning here. I gave directions, so I'm trying to see if these boys know what they're doing. Saying goodbye to our hotel. Alright, we gotta get this guy back to his home. Good morning! It's day 8 and we are headed out of Seattle. Today, on our fun adventures, we're taking you to Vancouver, Washington to turn around and go down the Columbia River Gorge, see a couple of waterfalls, and then we're gonna head straight down south into Oregon and stop around Bend, Oregon tonight. If you are interested in seeing maybe some of the waterfalls, some of our fun, stay tuned. County. Wasn't that fun? That was a lot of fun. What do you think? Fun? I'm hungry. I want some breakfast. So what am I gonna eat? Baroshki. Looks like somebody's already gotten in here. Some people needed to make a restroom break.
Gotta go.
And they had to go all the way over there to the shell on the other side.
Weird.
This is the Doodle River Bridge. Airport. Welcome back to Oregon. So we just made it into Portland and we're heading on the 8430 going east, heading to Vista House. That's gonna be our first stop off the Columbia River Gorge. After that, we'll start heading towards Multnomah Falls. It's all brand new to me, so it's kind of exciting, but yet I don't know how much I can do. So, boys, DQ. This turtle rolling. We made a change on the way coming up to Multonmah Falls. We decided we're gonna make one stop before Vista Point, and that is at the Portland's Women's Forum State Scenic Viewpoint. Multnomah Restaurant and Lounge at the falls.
Yep.
I'm hungry. We're at the Multonmah Falls Lodge eating lunch. Made it here just in time.
Just in time.
Just in time. This is the scenic view I get.
This is the lodge bread. Ooh, very warm,
Especially
very
with your
thick.
hands.
Look at this. Oh, it's hot. Don't do that.
My wife got a braised pork. Look at this.
And Caleb got me smoked salmon fettuccine.
How was your salmon fettuccine?
Finish it now.
Okay.
How's this?
It's pretty good. He's like, oh man, this is a
That was my snack. It was supposed to be my snack.
Well, that adorable looking woman right there. Heading up to the bridge. Pretty much a paved path all the way up. So it's only 0.2 miles, so that's nice.
Can I go down here?
No.
I feel like I can. We're at
Multnomah
Multnomah Falls. It's not one fall. There's one big fall. Another fall that leads down to it. Absolutely insane stuff. Never thought nature could do such a thing, but she proved me wrong.
Jen's gonna eat that all herself. That's a Oregon berry milkshake.
It looks very pretty. The restaurant was pretty.
It was fun. It's pretty. It's worth the visit. Come and visit these guys.
It's pretty, it's fun, it's worth the visit. Come take a visit. Everything is amazing here. I love everything here. Especially the falls. It's so good.
Curly cues. Curly cues. He's got curly cues in the front. You have nothing. Looks like you can't drive through here, but you can walk through here. Scary people walking through. Looks like they used to be able to go on this trail, but it's all closed off. I don't know, probably rock slides or something going on. Right off the highway is Horsetail Falls. Nice hot day, perfect.
If you don't want to make the trek up and down this area, then you can go on a trolley. I think it's for $29.99 or something like that. And they'll take you up and down to each of the falls, and then you can visit each one on your leisure or at your leisure. Otherwise, you got to find parking like we had to here in this area.
Going up the bridge, we got to pay a toll. Oh, look at this.
Where are we?
We are going back across the bridge to Washington. Welcome to Washington.
Why are we going back to Washington?
Went through the Dalles, and now we're heading south to Bend. Really, we're staying in Redmond, but Bend, Oregon. You can see that the landscape completely changes from this foresty water gorge into this farmland, grass, wheat, rolling hills of nothing. Still pretty. This I-97, there's nothing out here.
There's trees.
There's barely even towns out this way, at least the northern part from the Dalles to the Bend or whatever. There's nothing.
Grass.
Oh, there's dead grass and there's trees.
There's a sky.
Bushes. There's sky. There's road.
There's some cars.
63 miles to Bend. We're in Madras. It's actually a bigger city than I thought it was. It has a McDonald's, so it must be big. By the way, it's been about 100 degrees driving through this mess. This is about 30 minutes north of Redmond, and Redmond is about 20 minutes north of Bend. There's a couple different other cities to stay in if there's any hotels. Okay, maybe this isn't the city to stay in if all they got is a Quality Inn. Just saying. They also have a Relax Inn.
My dad interpretation.
We walked in the door on my birthday.
Hey guys, welcome to the room. Let's open this door. Mom, are you good? Yeah. Come on in. No, right as you enter, to your left, you have a bathroom. What they've made in here At your service at all times.
Back to.
Normal bathroom, you know, better than the original hotel because it actually has.
We got glass doors.
And then everything else is just like a normal bathroom, okay? Oh. Nah, that's new. 2 beds. Oh,
It opens up into a closet when you barn door it.
TV. Generic hotel art. This guy. Drawers, ice bucket,
might be able to connect you.
chairs, and I can connect.
Here is our view.
Cowtown.
This is what I call a physical Netflix.
I'm going to sell you to the first bidder. Is that okay?
You guys, they're Thai cheese. Thai cheese. I said Thai cheese.
That's on par with that Malaysian place.
I just want you to try it. Tell me.
I'm gonna say tied for first place is actually this and the curry, okay?
This one? And the curry. Third place is this. Third place. Fourth place is this. Fifth place is this.
First, second,
Curry. Second is the right. Third. Fourth.
your turn.
Mom likes the rice first. Curry second.
She touched Cody.
So you're slow.
Texas, Texas, yeehaw, Texas.
Like it, comment, subscribe. Hey guys, welcome to the. Hey guys. What am I saying then? Goodbye, guys.
I don't even know where we're going. I don't even know what else I'm saying. Like it if you. I can.
Hill to the hill to the hill to the hill. Dutch bros, man. Dutch bro. Ooh, I got that on tape too. Oh.
Can't wait to eat some delicious Thai food that we haven't already eaten. What's your face? Ah, whatever. Oh, that's what you want me to say? Is that good?
Fix it.
Let's fix it.
Fix it.
Texas, Texas, yeehaw, Texas.
Going down.
Oh, sorry.
Stop it.
I'm kidding. I don't really stick it.
Anyway.